Welcome. In this video I want to show you how to hard reset your iPad Pro by using iTunes. So in the very beginning we have to open our iTunes application. You can download it from Apple website or Apple Store. Then we need to plug our iPad into our PC, so we can do this by using USB cable. So let's do this just like that. Excellent. Okay, so now we have to come back to our iTunes application. So when we are here, just tap on this icon. Then if you want to hard reset your iPad Pro, you should choose restore iPad. And here iTunes asking us about backup, so in my case I will don't do backup and tap restore. And now we have to wait a couple of minutes. Okay, so our iPhone is turning on, so we already make a backup. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.